In this video, we're going to talk about parent pages. So what you're going to want to do is have your Pages tab open. If your layout does not look like the layout I have, you want to go to Windows and then Workspace and then open up Advanced. Then you can open up your Pages panel up here. And particularly, we're going to talk about parent pages. So you can see here we've got a variety of different spreads going on with a variety of context. But across the top of the Pages panel, you're going to see either a none or an A parent. These are called parent pages, and what you want to do is double click. A parent page you can think of as a template. So in this case, if we add something here to the template, it'll be applied to all of the pages that use this particular parent. So I'm going to exit back out by double clicking in the Pages panel, and I'm going to select, for example, this blue graphic here. So I'm going to cut that out of this particular spread and enter the Pages panel. And then I'm going to go to Edit and then Paste in Place, so that way it pastes in the exact same location of the design originally. And as you can see, the thumbnail is already updated. I'm going to exit that, and you can see now that this particular template has been applied now to all of these spreads here. So you can see here. Now this one does not have it. So why does this one not have it? That means that this particular spread is blank and does not have a parent page template attached to it. So to do that, for example, let's go up here. You would select the spread that you do not want the template or the parent page attached to, and you can go right up here and you can see where it says Apply Parent Pages. And this is where you would apply a parent page to a specific one. Otherwise, what you want to do is right click, and on this one here, what we're going to do is basically override the parent page items. By double clicking on that, now you have the ability to override it, and you can see that now I can edit and even delete that particular item. That's how you can overwrite but still leave. In this case, since we only have one item there, it doesn't make sense to really overwrite it. So I'm going to place it back inside of there. And instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on that particular page, and where it says Apply Parent Pages, where this came up here, you want to do is select None. If you select None, it will apply it now to this particular spread. In this case, I want the spread 4 to 5, pages 4 to 5. And now you can see that basically this particular item is no longer being applied. Now you can see the way I know is I can actually select this and move it. And that's an artifact from earlier, allowing myself to edit it. But if I come into, for example, this page here, you can see that I am not able to click on that particular parent page item here. What I would need to do is, again, is go in, apply parent pages, and on the particular spread 10 through 11, I want to switch from a parent to no parent. And now it's basically, it does not have a parent page applied to it. If you need to come up here and create a new parent, okay, what you could do is come up to the top here and create a new parent. So you can right click, new parent, and then basically you're going to prefix it. So this is B. You can give it a different name, alternate, for example. If you have a different one, okay, a number of pages, it's applied to 2 pages. So this is for a spread. And now you can see you have a completely different alternate page layout. So what you can do is come in and grab a design element, or you can just create a new one. If you just want to create a brand new template, you can pop in there and apply a new item. And once you exit that, now you have a B alternate. So do you come to your page that you want to have selected, double click, and you're going to apply parent pages to. You select your B alternate template and apply it to pages 8-9. You click OK, and now you've got a B parent page. You could do the same with a single page up here. So again, new parent, C, and then this will be applied to just a single page. Click OK. Now you've got a single page parent. For example, if you wanted to create something just for those one-off pages there. So again, I'll just fill it here with something else and exit back out, go into my parent page here. On this single one, I'm going to apply parent page, and I don't want the A parent, I want the C parent here. Okay, and now you can see I've got that single page template applied to this one. So that's working with parent pages.